So today I came home and found I got my FabFitFun. So I'm pretty excited about this. I did do a couple of add-ons. I do kind of remember what I got, but let's go ahead and break into this lovely box. Find out what I got. Like, when I did my winter one, I did both my winter box and my free winter box in one video. So this will just be my spring, but that's okay. Let's get rid of these. Now, FabFitFun is a seasonal box. You get 4 a year. Each one costs $49.99. I'll leave a code down below. You can pay for the entire year. The customization window is kind of fast, so I always suggest get customizing as fast as possible because some of the good stuff is gone. And I pay monthly, and trust me, some of the good stuff was gone. So my add-ons were this item I got. I think I only paid like $7 for it, but it was by Kerr, and it's restorative nail cream. I've never had nail cream. My nails are really kind of bad. Where I work, they take a beating. So I thought this might be fun to do because I like painting my nails, and it's one of the few things I can do at my job daily. And the other thing I got, I think I paid like $17 for it, but it's by I have no idea. Mintanbodyskin.com. But it's a cream and the pad. I thought maybe I'll try one of these out. And then my box. So here is my big box. So I did see that some people have already got theirs and through theirs. I paid for this myself. I'm not got any kind of deals or anything. This is just one of the things I like. I love subscription boxes, and I buy them all the time. And I think my family will kill me soon because I always have boxes coming. They're like, "Are you for real?" Kinda am. So the cover of this, every season when they do these, they have a certain amount of money that goes to a charity. This one's Dress for Success. It tells you down in the corner. So it's probably, I don't know for sure, I'm pretty sure it's one of those charities where they help people get dressed for interviews if they don't have the money. You always get a couple of freebie stuff by this in a magazine that tells you all the options and all the items that you could choose from. A lot of this stuff was sold out too, not gonna lie. And this is what my box looks like on the inside. So let's tear into this. So I got but This Works is a deep sleep body cocoon cream. I'm pretty sure this is one of those things that you put on. Yeah, it's got a lavender scent, highly, and chamomile. It's one of those things you put on like your hands or face. It helps you relax and go to sleep. This item was one of the choice items with a Wish matcha restoring mask, and it's not something I could have chose anyway, but it was $40. Yeah, I was kind of sad at one of the items, but that's okay. It's okay. And then I got, you only get 8 items. I got the fast food. This is a leave-in hair cream, and trust me when we say I need it. This item, you was what I got instead of, they had a salt and pepper meal. Would have kind of liked to have got that, but that's okay. But this item retails for $24. Okay, the next item was the Purely's watermelon, and I had this as a sample. I do like this, but it's a 2-minute polish peel mask. It exfoliates. I do love this watermelon stuff, I'm not gonna lie. And it was $35 for the full size, and it does smell like watermelon. I know it does because I have one already. Yes, it does. But my other one, I think, is a primer. This is actually the leave-in mask, the exfoliating mask. The next item I got was the body oil by Marinella. This item had an insane retail. It was a $68 retail for this thing. This is insane. It smells good though, but it's just a body oil. It says that it is made with pomegranate oil, but it smells orange. It smells really citrusy, but I like it. The next item I got was the silicone straws, which this item will come in handy. We're going to go camping. We talked about it, but it's got this little thing that you can fold them up in, and there's silicone, and then there's a brush to clean them. I do like these. They come in handy when you go on vacation or you go camping, and I drink out of straws all the time, so all the time. And that retails for $15. The next item I picked this as one of the items I did pick, was the umbrella. I do love summer flowers, so I picked the umbrella, and the umbrella retails at $40. I was kind of upset that I couldn't get the 111 Skin Radiance Cream, but that's okay. It's okay. Things sell out. There's other stuff you can get. One of the other big ticket items was the second choice item, which I picked the gravity mask because I wanted to try one. I have insomnia really bad and I can't stay asleep, so this is one of the items that I had wanted to try. They also had this vitamin C mixing crystals I kind of wanted to try, but they were sold out of that. So I was going to pay extra for it anyway. This is really what I wanted. So that's going to be nice. When I go on vacation, I might be taking that with me. So this item retails for $39.99. And the last item I got, which you could have got a tote or this, I don't know, it was like a sweater cardigan thing. And the bowls, but I already had the bowls. And a rug, which looked cool, but it was a rug. And it was kind of small. So I picked this Revive Light Therapy Glow device for $68. Because I thought that this might be fun. I just hope it does not hurt. I have no idea what it does. But this is the item that I picked. I kind of like that it has its own batteries though. So let's see what this does. And if it hurts, I'm not going to be happy. I don't know if it actually is something that's going to produce It may. I know that they say they use them in spas and stuff, but like I said, when I got there, like some of the stuff you couldn't get, I thought about getting 2 items, but I couldn't. I'd already had the bowls, so I wasn't going to get those anyway. But I didn't really want that tote. But that's okay. We got this. Kind of wanted to try the Elemis, but it was already sold out, which happens if you don't get yearly, because yearly gets the first picks and then the monthly gets the second picks. Kind of afraid. Does it go off by itself? Oh, that's really bright. So it says red light, amber light, infrared. Is there a different setting? Included. What are you supposed to do? Oh, let's read it. It's a wrinkle treatment. Warnings. Disclaimer, light sensitivity. Test yourself for light sensitivity prior to power your device. Place the device on or within 1/4 of the skin on your forearm for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, check the area. If it turns red and lasts for more than 2 hours, your skin is light sensitive. Huh. So what's this supposed to do? Just heat up your skin? Doesn't really have any heat. Oh, there's that. I have no idea. I'll figure it out. Welcome to light therapy. Alright, so that's my box. I got, let's see, 68, 40, 108. My looks like it. 68. Was that 76? I got 76, 80, 90, 100, so that's 200, and 40, 240, 140, 75, $317 worth of products. That's what I got in my box. And I will put it all back on here and hold it back up so that you can see everything that I got all together. But that is my FabFit for the spring. I feel like I did get $50 worth of products. I don't know about 300, but I definitely feel like I got 50. I think I'll get a lot of good use out of all of it. And that is my Fab box. Now, in the comments of this one, I will leave, I do Boxy, I do Ipsy, I do Snack Crate, I do Lunarly, I do Witch's Roots, and I'll leave all those in the description. I also will make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I do gaming videos as well, if that interests you. Watch me game. And I upload as often as possible. So, yeah. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and if this looks like something fun you'd like to try, just click the link. I think my link was you $10 off, so you'll get $10 off the first box, which takes your first box to $39.99, and it ships. The next one will be in summer, and I've seen some spoilers, so they look kind of tight, I'm not gonna lie. I'm ready for it. Although I'm ready for this box all the time. Here's some of the products you could have gotten. They had some really great products this time. They had some packing crates in there that you could have picked. I didn't need those. Let's see what else was in there. I'll go back to this other one. There's some of the products that was in there. But yeah, it just is a lot of different items. And well, if you customize, you usually get everything you want. I have never had an issue yet. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I heart your all space, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.